To properly understand the term physical quantity, we need to first understand the difference between a quality and quantity. Quality is anything that does not have a numerical value. For example, I just moved to a new neighborhood and someone asked me that how are you living up there? Like, how are your neighbors? Are they good or are they bad? I'll say that they are very kind. Now, kindness has no numerical value, hence, it is a quality. Then, that same person asks me to rate their kindness from 1 to 10, considering my old neighborhood. I come up with a value of 8. Now, this is a quantity because I have rated their kindness from a score of 1 to 10. This is a quantity. Then, what is a physical quantity? Physical quantity is anything that has a numerical value plus a unit. For example, I say 10 centimeter. Now, this is a length, right? And physical quantities are always measured. You measure length by a meter rule. There's another physical quantity called mass. You measure it in kilograms, grams, tons. But a quality and a quantity, it cannot be measured. This is only a quantity. It was never measured, hence it has no units. Kindness has no units, right? There is no meter, or there is no rule, or there is no device to measure the kindness of a person. Hence, it does not have any unit. Physical quantity, on the other hand, has a numerical value, which is also called the magnitude, and a unit. So the definition of physical quantity will be a quantity that can be measured. Now, kindness was not measured. Kindness was just given a random score from 1 to 10. It was not measured. Physical quantity, on the other hand, is a quantity that can be measured. It has numerical value and a unit. You'll learn more about units later on. Let me give you the example of this Tesla truck. Now this Tesla truck, Cybertruck, it is an electric truck, I guess the only electric truck. The length of this electric truck is 5.89 meter. Now this is a physical quantity because it was obviously measured by a meter rule or a tape. And then they say that the mass of this truck is 3000 kg. Again, this was measured, and this is a physical quantity because it has both magnitude, which is the numerical value, and the unit, which is the kilogram. Then the other specification of this, that the range of its battery is 300 miles, which is, I guess, it is equal to 402 kilometers. Range means that it gets charged. When it is fully charged, how long can it go? Like, to what distance can it travel? That is 402 kilometers, which is quite a lot. The other physical property of this truck is that it goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.5 seconds. This is mass, which is a physical quantity. I've already written as mass. This is length. This is also length. This is your speed, and this is your time, right? So this is what physical quantities are. Anything that can be measured, anything that can be measured is a physical quantity, and obviously only that thing can be measured which has a numerical value and a unit.